What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Rob's house. It is Halloween weekend. We had a small meetup on Friday, so I got to test my drone out, so check it out. Here's some cool footage of that. Today is Sunday and it's the first weekend of the month, so you know what that means. We're headed to 129 Hub for coffee and curves. Let's get rolling. What's going on, guys? We made it. Coffee and curves. Pretty sick turnout today. A lot of familiar faces, a lot of new faces. Shannon's flying his drone. Vivin's Huracan.
Alright, here we come. Watch this power line.
Shannon's drone's over there, flying. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's just hovering just over everyone. I just took mine out of the air, so I'll show you some footage of that. Got the Viper. It's the first time I actually saw this thing in person. It is sweet. Very, very, very cool car. Camo wrap. Next to the other camo wrap, of course, Shay's car. I promised I would do this every time I saw Shay's car in my YouTube videos. Fitment. Every time I see it now in every video. Fitment.
It's dirty, but how's it going?
That's all right. That's because you drive it.
I do, I drive.
That's why we bought them, right?
That's right.
Exactly. Well, we got Dave's Lexus, actually. RCF. Aaron's Audi R8. And of course his R8 is parked right next to his Lambo.
Killed breakfast this morning.
Huracan here front and center. Oh, Shan's making a move with the drone. Nick's Alpha, he just got a new ECU, got a tune on it. It should be making like 300 something horsepower now. I think Nick has the most carbon fiber today because there are no McLarens here. So I think Nick's car takes the cake there. CTSV wagon. BK's car, of course, Corvette. GT4 over here, Lee's car, Z06. Of course, we got GT3 Taylor next to me. My car's a little bit dirty, but it's all right. Like I said, they're dirty because we drive them. Rob ZL1 over here. Skyline came out to play with us today, and this was pretty cool. I saw this when I came in. An old school NSX, and it's super clean. Super, super, super clean. Interior looks in phenomenal condition. I mean, when I pulled up, that was one of the things that caught my eye because you just don't see these very much anymore. Really, really, really cool car. I'm standing in the middle of the street, but no one's coming, so. Really sick. These meets out, you know, a lot of familiar faces, but a lot of new faces. Every now and then something really cool and unique pulls up that you haven't seen before, in addition to obviously all the modern cars that are here. I'm currently acquiring caffeine, so while I take a short break, enjoy all this drone footage. Frank just rolled in the C8. It's a Z51. Sure is. Rapid blue. This thing's gorgeous, man. I love the color. That high wing life. I love it, dude. It's so good. And like, the video won't even capture it for YouTube right now. Like, it looks so much better in person than it does on camera. I can't stress that enough. These look so good in person. Frank, can I open this side?
Lambo, dude. It's like you got to go all the way over that shit in the monocoque.
Just wanted to ask before I start poking around.
I know how to say it. Gallardo.
The interior in these is so nice.
Yeah. See, I'm just solid. Everybody says hurt.
Yeah. They have so many cool like color combo configuration stuff. Like you can get the stripe on the steering wheel in the same, you know what I mean? And you can get the stitching and like the calipers and what, you know, you can like do all that stuff.
He waited so long in this car.
Everyone did, man. It's crazy.
He's got a C8 deal.
Oh, does he? Just keep this in the meantime and then trade it in.
Yeah, I had one of those.
SRT4, yeah. Brings me back to the early 2000s.
Yeah, yeah. I bought it from
You were that guy.
There goes Bivens. Oh, he's coming over here. Oh, no, he's not. No, he's not. He's turning around. That's a really good factory exhaust. That got a little squirrely. Oh, Viper's leaving.
Oh my God, I'm so scared.
It's crazy that it's actually like that quiet at idle too, and then that's wild.
Huh?
Wash your wheels, man.
I came 2 hours to be here in the rain.
Is there supposed to be blue smoke when he does? I don't know. People fell over.
I've got extra rags if you want to wash them. They're actually
an hour per wheel with those spokes, man.
they're like a bright bronze, usually, when they're clean.
That's loud. A Performante has appeared. Ryan's car. I didn't see him when he pulled in, but love this green. In a few months, we'll sound like that too. Bye, guys. the color, man.
Crazy
I really
how
do.
well it's held up, man.
I don't know how much. We got 39,000 miles.
Damn, dude.
And I've had it since it had like 24.
Yeah, and it's doing it right
Yeah,
now, dude.
it's
It
like-
almost looks gunmetal right now.
It's crazy how it'll flop too. The sun has hit it just right. Dude.
Yeah.
It's super sparkly.
All right, man.
See you,
later,
man.
bro.
All right, guys, we are home as usual. The event was a great time. Always good time over at 129 Hub. Great food, great people, awesome cars. The frequency of the meets are about once per month, so I'll be filming those and putting them on the channel, showing you guys any cool cars that show up that I'll try to highlight some different rides each time I go so it doesn't get too repetitive. Anyway, hope these videos are entertaining, and I'll see you guys next time.